that for a view. One of my favourite places. One of my favourite places to come on the bike. I'm going to turn that right in there in a minute. There's a ship coming in. The tugs will bring that alongside in a sec. But first, there's something else I want to show you. Oh yes. Oh God, we needed this. That has been far too long. So, 6 weeks almost to the day, and we're back on her. It's only going to be a very, very short ride, and it's just to see how the shoulder feels being out like, you know, out in that position. So you'll have seen from my little 1 minute video that the bike has been serviced. When I got this bike, they were very keen at the Kawasaki dealership to push the fact that you were not tied to having your bike serviced with Kawasaki, with them, or with any Kawasaki dealer, provided that you get whoever does it to proof the receipts that genuine or approved Kawasaki parts were used. So this has had all the recommended oil, brake fluids. He's gone through the Kawasaki tick sheet and done everything that they say needs doing. Kawasaki oil filter, he's logged the part number and everything. And that, by doing that, that maintains your 4-year warranty. And I have to say, at half the price of what Kawasaki would have charged me. I think it would have been in the region of 340 quid with Kawasaki. And the independent one that we use cost me £171. So this video is going to be a bit arse about face, because the opening clip that you've just watched, I haven't even got there to do that yet. Now, before I had the op, I would have been swinging my arm around a couple of 3 times on the way over to here. I haven't had to do it once yet. I mean, I'm not kidding myself. I'm not going to be able to jump on the bike tomorrow and ride to Scotland. Ha! Typical. I just said that and I just had to jiggle it about. Yeah, I'm under no illusions. I'm not going to be riding hours and hours and miles straight away. If I can get out for half an hour this time, maybe an hour next time, and then hopefully be able to build it up. So this is the road on the way up to the prison. And it's very twisty, very windy. Goes right up through the housing estate there. It's like a switchback all the way up. Bloody hell, what a gorgeous day.